everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you the 2022 Sarah Renae Clark planner. This is now my third, possibly fourth, I can't remember. I keep, trying different planners and then going back to this one. Funny enough though, I don't actually color it all the time. I just like certain features in it, and then occasionally I doodle on it. I did buy her, she had like a little special, so you could get these 24 sticker sheets. It was like part of a little discount deal, so I was like, yeah, why not? But just so you can see what you get if you end up ordering those. Just a variety of stickers that you color, so that's what's fun. I think they'd be good to put in the planner, Some of these are really cute. Probably do them with Copics. Yeah, just a variety of things. Goals, appointments, to-dos, the usual. Basically, ooh, coffee cups, yeah! Just the usual things. Got some motivational stickers. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but yeah, just cute little ones. Now, oh, they do have seasonal. Okay, so there's some Christmas. So I may, color those each month. I don't know. So this one came in a box, a nice box. My last one was just wrapped in plastic. So, dun dun dun. I might save this box. It's actually really nice. I almost feel like awful if I throw it out. So here is the planner. Now, when I read on our site, it was going to be bigger. It's definitely bigger. She was gonna improve the paper again. So over the years, she's been making improvements. So let's see what we got. And by the way, I bought this bad boy with my own money. Oh, there's a bookmark in there. I don't remember there being a bookmark in the other one. So we got the spiral binding, which she's always had. Gosh, now I gotta go look at my other planner though. I don't remember mine being metal. Nice hardcover. Got some printing dust. All right. So the paper to me does not feel thicker than the one I have now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Feels, if anything, it actually feels thinner. Yeah, it actually feels thinner than the planner I have now. So you get your year at a glance pages, yearly goals, and then it is tabbed. That all of hers have been tabbed. So let's see. Oh, I'm loving the book theme. That's cute. One thing I do like is, yep, this page here, the goal spread. You have your events for the month, your focus, projects, and then daily habit trackers. I really do enjoy those. But it looks like this whole thing will be just books for January. I want to see if there's anything added to the back. So no, it's about the same as the last ones. You can put your memories here. You'll have your month's reflection. And then just a blank page, and then yeah, February starts it. So I'm not gonna show each one, but we can look at the themes. I was kind of hoping this one would have not just completely repetitive designs, but it looks like that will be that's still there. So this one's kind of florals and gems. In March, ooh, mandala March, yes, I like that one. All mandalas. April, it's going to be butterflies. Yeah. May, flowers. June. One of my pages is stuck. Coloring supplies. That'll be kind of fun to do. July, hot air balloons. Let's see, August is going to be, ooh, sweets. I do see that the drawings have improved. They're a little more intricate too. But again, she had said she was going to thicken up the paper a bit. And this paper is actually way thinner than the one I have now, 2021. Yeah, this is definitely a downgrade in paper. Now, I know on her site she did say, you know, if you're going to use markers, you can't use markers in here. But this one is actually so thin that I can see the printing from the page behind it. I will grab my 2021 just to show you guys. See, so September peonies, I think that's what those are. October swirlies. November, I guess you could turn those into fall flowers. December, oh, that's pretty seasonal. And then usually near the end, hang on, so you'll have your reflections, and then you're basically review your whole year. Contacts are in the back, 2023 calendar. And then, yeah, she has a code at the end for a coupon code. I don't remember there being a bookmark. I'm going to grab mine, though, and show you the difference in paper. Because this part kind of bums me out about the paper. I'm not going to lie to you. Because that was stated to be something that they were going to improve even more to make this kind of like a actual coloring thing. Because, you know, the biggest gripe I've always had is even with gel pens, they bleed through. Like I'll color here and you'll see right through. And you can't use markers. You can't even use fine liners. They bleed through. So let me grab my other one so I can show you. Okay, so I was right. 2021 had just a plastic spiral binding. Now we have metal. The cover is now like a really hardback, like almost the same material as this box, whereas before 2021 it was just this laminated cover. I have to show you a month where it's not colored in, but so here's like December's paper. Yeah, this is thicker. 2021's paper is thicker. Hear that? Now listen to this one. So I can feel it, it's rougher. This is smoother. This is definitely thinner than this one, just way thinner. Now, even with these ones, you could still see the print behind them. But I honestly feel like the paper's been downgraded in this one. It feels rougher, and it definitely feels thinner. So that's kind of a bummer. I mean, I use just a black glitter gel pen that doesn't bleed for most of my stuff. I mean, she has upgraded the tabs. The tabs were like this before. Ooh. So here's the tabs on the old one. So they were bigger, you know, but you couldn't see like the whole year. You'd have to flip through. So, and then she also, it seems like these tabs are a little thicker too. Let me go back and see. Yeah, the cardstock is a little thicker for these. And then, so with how her tabs are set up in the 2022, everything's here. Whereas in the other one, it had big tabs and split out. And then, yeah, the cover is definitely different because this is just a laminated one. Although I thought this cover was gorgeous. And this is a thick cardboard, whereas this one's just a laminated bendy little thing. And then, yeah, you've got the plastic versus the metal. So, I mean, there's been some upgrades, but there's also been some downgrades. The paper quality does not feel the same in this one. So that's a bummer. I do like that it's more of a hardback, although I was fine with the laminated edition, I'm not gonna lie, because it just sits on my desk anyway. It still has the layouts I prefer, which are, oh gosh, I'm gonna love this Mandala March one. I like this layout, so I really do dig that. There's 0 changes to this layout, by the way, from last year's model. Same thing I'm thankful for. Big focus, 4 boxes. I usually do like my to-dos here. important reminders here, schedule, appointments, etc. here, and down here is just like little notes. Occasionally I'll joke around and put a workout there, but does it get done is the question. So overall, like, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this, I bought it with my own money. It was not sent to me at all. I mean, I do like the improvements to the cover. I like the tabs all being as one. My biggest thing is I wish she would do variety with the pages. Like, I want it themed, okay? So January is books, but it doesn't have to repeat the same thing over and over on every page. Like, you know what I mean? Like, there's a way to take a theme and spread it about, so like, you don't just burn out on coloring books, which is one reason I rarely even color in the darn thing. And I use my stickers in my planners more for the color, because I'm just like, I don't, you know, you'll color that first month and you're like, okay, well, I'm not gonna go each week and color that same page. So I was kind of hoping for that. And then I will admit, I'm disappointed in the paper quality. It is definitely a downgrade from 2021, which sucks because 2021 was an improvement from 2020. So I was hoping we would go up, but there have been some significant improvements. The planner cost was about the same. I get the early bird discount, and then I use my discount code from the back of my planners as well. Like I said, I do love this box though. It's super cute. I'm gonna like have to reuse it for some craft supplies. Ooh, maybe I can put all my gel crayons in here. That would be like the perfect storage. So yeah, the box is really cute too. I don't think this one came in a box. Yeah, it was plastic wrapped for sure. So that is the 2022 Sarah Renae Clark planner. Now, if you plan to purchase it, you can still buy it now. If you pre-order it, it always shows up October, November-ish. But yeah, it's just up to you, but you still have time to order it. You can also buy the digital edition. I know she has that, and then she has like the PDF printable ones. So whatever floats your boat, but this is what you can expect if you do order the 2022. I'd love to know if you pre-ordered it, if you've gotten it, what your thoughts are. And if you have any questions, just leave those in the comments below. But until next time, guys, take care.